RC Cars, remote control car for boys 6 to 12. RC Stunt Car 112 large scale, Christmas birthday gifts for kids. Self-balancing amphibious 2.4 GHz double-sided 360 degrees rotating, toy cars for B. Self-balancing stunt car. The remote control cars can not only flip back and forth 180 degrees, rotate 360 degrees, and even run upright. Turn on the unique gyroscope button, it will stand perfectly and perform a variety of stunts. Diversified gameplay brings more fun. Checkered flag RC car surfing on the water. The amphibious remote control stunt car is not only a land racing car, but also surfing on the water. The exquisite design makes it achieve a perfect double-layer waterproof effect. MissCat RC Cars remote control car, RC stunt car for kids 4WD 2.4 GHz truck, and wheels convert interchange 2-in-1 360 degrees flips vehicle outdoor car toy for boys girls blue. Truck and wheels 2-in-1 equipped with 4 heavy-duty off-road, anti-shock wheels, and 2 heavy-duty truck, can convert into 2 different styles to enjoy more fun. The racing car body is built with soft, but strong plastic which allowing it to handle all kinds of collisions. Premium rubber tires or the strong truck allows the RC car to be controlled easily, while its internal coil springs are elastic, giving the remote control car a smooth run through the sand, grass, rocks, bricks. Steam Prime remote control car RC car, 2.4 GHz fast Speedy RC drift race car with rechargeable batteries, rock crawler truck monster vehicles buggy hobby car toy gifts for boys kids girls adult screen. 2 modes of transformation. The fast remote control car has 2 modes, the on-road to flat terrain and high-speed performance and the off-road for rugged terrain that allows the car to climb over obstacles. Transformable body makes the car more flexible and offers a better climbing ability. EpochAir remote control car 2.4 GHz high-speed RC cars, off-road hobby RC racing car with colorful LED lights and rechargeable battery, electric toy car gift for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-year-old boys girls kid. Speedy remote control car, powered by a strong motor, the RC car can reach up to a speed of 15 to 20 km per hour, giving you a thrilling driving experience. RC cars for adults 46 km per hour 110 scale large high-speed remote control car, for WD RC trucks for boys 2.4 GHz off-road monster truck with extra shell, 2 battery, all-terrain electric toy. Gift/toys for kids 1:10 large super fast RC car. The scale of RC trucks currently in the market is about 118 and 116.